Hey guys, welcome back. I'm popping on today to do my first video for the Build a Page series. Now, I'm also doing the series for Christy's Beautiful Life all month. And this is going to coincide at the same time. And I was a little leery if you guys would be good with me using page kits that are already put together. But what I've been doing for days 16 through 30 is using my leftover ScrapRoom kits because trying to get through some stash. And I reached out to the other Build-A-Page gurus, and they're like, go ahead, we all have these kits laying around, and you have to use them up, and you have to get them, into your rotation. So I'm like, okay. So I grabbed the next 5 page kits that I have for ScrapRoom, and we're just going to go with it. And I'm going to see what's in them, what's left. Some I haven't used, some I have used. I have no idea. So we're going to go through them one by one. And I think I will do like a number 1, number 2, number 3 on my little stickies that I have in them as well. So let's see what we have in this one. It is from September 2021. And let's see what we have. It is gorgeous, clearly. It's from Simple Stories. And let's see, it's a simple vintage lemon twist line. So I've got title bits, which I think that is absolutely awesome. Great. So how should I do it this time? Why don't we do 3, make sure we have 3 kits discussed and talked about today and 2 tomorrow. We'll do that. We'll do alphas. We'll do anything we need like that. I think that's what we should do. Okay. Change it up a little bit this time. All right, so let's see what we have in here. Oh, guys, I have a lot in here. Okay, I've got a cardstock. Awesome. So there's a black cardstock, and then I have 3 full-size pattern papers. I have Sweet Life. I've got, let's see, Happy Thoughts, and, oh, but wait, and I have Sunshine and Lemonade. Great. I've got really good title bits here. So I've got some of these foam pieces that have titles, which is great. And I also, there's titles and they're on white foam, and I think they're awesome. I have got, oh, look at this. I have a bunch of scraps, which is perfect. So there's a bunch of scraps in here too, because I mean, matting photos just on this plain black is easy peasy. Guys, this might be like the world's quickest one ever. I've got this sticker sheet here that, like, let's see if we have happy, good thoughts. I don't know. I feel like I'll bring in like a little, like a couple of embellishments. And I think what I'm going to do with that, because I like to kind of keep things separated out, I can get a little bit funny about things. I'll just put them in these like little binder sleeves when we get to that point. Okay. So I've got these pieces. I've got some really good flat pieces. Awesome. And then let's see what this is. And I've got a nice amount of die cuts. Great. So what would I need to be happy with this kit? I think I'm going to go right into what I call my Lucky 7 box, and I'm also going to go into my leftover ScrapRoom goodies. And let's see, I've got some washi. I'm going to see if either of these work. Okay, this washi right here, I think, guys, was this from a Jen Hadfield kit? I don't know. So I've got a mustardy gold washi. Great. What was I going? Oh, I know what I was going in here for. I've got these little alphas, and I think these are going to be the ticket for me to do like happy blah, 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 like whatever wordy bits. So I have that. And then maybe the only other thing, I'm not going to add mist because, you can add mist really easily. I'd like to get some Scrap and Happy Studio flair in here. Let's see if I have, guys, I know it's a lot. I have a lot going on there. Let's see. And keeping in mind, I don't have photos pulled. So I love that piece. I have 1 and 2 I could use if I use those cute new ones. This is the thing, like when you don't have your pictures pulled, you're like, just seeing if I have anything that, okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this set in because I have 2 of these deep teal kind of colors and 1 black. So I'll have that. And then finally, oh guys, flare everywhere. And then finally, I'm just reaching up here because I have some enamel dots. This deep charcoal and actually all of these will work perfectly. Will I use all of these add-ons? I will use them all, but I will not finish them. That was my point. Yes, I was coming up with a point. So to this kit, which is already very full and amazing and beautiful because I get a lot of the kits. So let me tell you what I do get from this kit club. I get the flavors of the month, which is, you know, a kit. And I get the embellishment kit. I get the pattern paper add-on kit. And I get the shots of life kit. So, you know, I end up getting a lot of stuff. But I also design from a lot from them when I do the design team stuff. So the reason why I'm separating this out, I'm just wanting to see what my add-on bits are. So this fine looking kit that used to have, once upon a time, a sticky note that said September 2021. Wherever that is, it's in here somewhere. This fine kit is going to be kit number 1, and that was way too easy and not the most fascinating thing to watch. Okay, that is kit number 1. Done. We can even put it back in this very fancy looking envelope. Okay, let's see what the collection is next. Next, I'm gonna put that right next to my desk because I know I want to use it. I know I want to use it. I can do the English. Okay, so this one's a little trickier. I did do a layout with it before. Ooh, I even have enamel dots. All right, September 2021, flavors of the month again. I think I hit my camera. Okay, let's see what's in here. We have, Fig Swirl cardstock. We have 2 of them. I won't use both. We've got, this is Fancy Pants Lake Life. This one's called Alluring. So we have wordy bits. Life is better at the lake. I do have stuff for lake. And then we have a bunch of lures, which I do like the lures. I do like the lake. Okay. Live Love Lake. That is awesome. And then this is more campy bits. I like that page better. Live Love Lake. And then this one's called Fresh Air, which is just like wood grain stars. Oh, and pine cones. That looks kind of wintry. Okay, I have that. So, and then I have a bunch of scraps because I've already used this. So, I think some of this also came with some like 6x8 pages. I think that's how this setup came. Okay, so I have lots of pieces. I've got enamel dots already. Awesome. And then in the baggie, let's see what I got with this kit. Come. All right, so that's a little lure. I've got some wood veneer bits, a lantern, a pine tree, and a fishy. Got guitars, go fish. I have some that reads lake, another fishy, some oars, some ducks, and like a Winnebago with a, what is it? Canoe? Something? Yes, in it. All right, so when I'm looking at this, I mean, of course I can use Go Fish, but I'm gonna go back into my handy dandy little bin right here and see if I like one of the alphas for this. That might be kind of cool. These are Felicity Jane Leatherette stickers. I think I'm gonna do that because they look enough like this. Okay, so I have those. That might be cool. And I mean, if I can find this picture, I have a picture of each of my daughters at different times fishing. That's what I'd like to be able to find. And guys, you know I'm doing the Christy's Beautiful Life sketches, right? But I don't even know what the sketches are yet while I'm picking out the stuff. So we'll just see how that goes. I already have the wood veneer, so I'm not going to bring in more. I have 3 pieces of that, which are just about perfect. Like, I'm actually looking, going, do I need anything else? Because this stuff's pretty good. These little butterflies are not really the right color. They're pink and beautiful and great. Great day. Let's see. Oh, that's a coffee cup. Let's see what this says. Can't really have comforts of home. The greatest day. I'm going to put that in. Yeah, Home Sweet Home doesn't really work. How about this little, is that too orange? Yeah, I think it's too orange. These are just these other bits that I have from previous kits and stuff in here. I like the deep yellow. Well, I'm going to put the 3 in, and we'll see how it goes. So I have those that are left over. Now this washi, I'm not even washi crazy, I just like the idea of using it. This washi does work as well. I'll put that washi in. I don't need to bring in these little enamel dots. I don't have a ton in here. What could I use out of here? I could probably use 3 of these. So I'm going to put those puppies in. I think I'll do that. So the deal is I do try to limit the quantity of stuff I use because I end up using more. So that's what that is. All right, now I'm going to come really quickly. Ooh, this Scrap and Happy Studio Flare is a great color match, so I'll have that one. These are so pretty. I love the mini ones. I think they're so cute. So cute. So I need something with these like richer autumn type tones. And yes, I do have some autumn flare in here. I'm just taking a look. This probably could be organized, but it's not. Nope. Probably because I like sifting. I am pro sifting. These are doggy things, and they match perfectly, but my dogs were not fishing. Nope. They're not big fishermen. Let's see, snaps. See this orange, which I do adore. I'm like, eh. It's like going to like this different orangey tone, and the blue's going to the wrong tone. Poor little things. I wish they matched just a little more. All right, we're heading towards the fallsy ones, which a bunch of my fall ones dropped out over here. But I think there's turkeys and things on them, so that wouldn't work. So, and this isn't necessarily a fall layout, it's about lake life. I'm just thinking that the tones might work. Oh, no, see? I'm on the struggle bus, and they don't have to go in. I do have one, and I'm very happy with the one. All right, it might be the one. I would love to find something in those. Oh, you know what? I'm going to put this in. I don't know how I feel. I'm going to put this one in. Okay, I put that in. See, I like this orange 10 times more than this with it, but the blue is not half bad. So that's kind of where I'm like, well, I like this, but not this. See, that's just so blue. Cutie pie, no. No. It's not really vibing it. Guys, sometimes I just, ooh. Oh. I can use this and this and this. I won't be using the pink one, but I can put those flare buttons in, and that will make me happy. So I think that's going to do it for the extras to go along with this kit. I think is really fun. Now I also, I have like mist I can do splatty bits with. There's acrylic pieces. I have other things I can bring in if I'm creating, or if the sketch is kind of pushing me to something, I can always do that. So I can still pull, but I'm trying to do a fairly decent job by concentrating on the kit and then bringing in stuff that I think would finish it off pretty nicely. And then, you know, like this flare that I won't use, I'll just go ahead and put it back when I'm done. Okay, let's look at number 3. Okay, so this was a double shot kit. And I don't know, may have used it, may not have used it. So it's September 2021 again. Let's see what we have going on with cardstock. So I've got this deep green called Avocado, a couple of those, this really nice apricot tone. Let's see. I've got Jen Hadfield Peaceful Heart, so soft, pretty, all that kind of a vibe with it. So this one's Peaceful Heart, called Peaceful Heart. This is Breathe Deeply. Gorgeous florals that may be detail cut out, but I do love the evergreen. And then this one's called Mindfulness. And we've got all of these, like, you know, horizon sunburst kind of things going on. Let's see what's in my baggie of happiness here. I've got some foam stickers, which I do love. Not sure how I'm going to use them, but I have some. I've got a metallic washi. That is gorgeous. It's all marbleized. Let's see. I've got some brads, which is very fun. They're nice metal brads. Could use that for a layout the other day. And then I've got some great die cut pieces. So what would I need to bring in to make it a thing? I think I need some alphas. So hopefully I've got the right ones in my lucky 7 bin. We will see. I hope. I think I do. What do you guys think? Okay, there's gold in this. I could either go white or I can go with these wood grain. Do I put both in to be safe? Let me see. The deal is with these white ones, actually there's not a ton, so I should probably put a second. You do have to glue them down. They do not stick. They're stickers that do not stick. So I'm going to put both of these in. That's fine. So I have those. I feel pretty good about this because I do have like foam. I've got die cuts and I've got metal pieces. All right, so this is super leafy. I'm going to put also these 2 pieces in. These are some from Some Assemblage Required. MK makes them. I saw these and I thought they were crazy cool. So we've got those. And then look at these colors right here. These are from Sweet Story. There are just a couple of these camera pieces all in a row right here that are a pretty nice color match. So I'm going to sneak them in. I think they are worthy of getting a little hello. What else do I have? I've got these photo corners I'm concentrating on from Heidi Swapp, but the colors tend to be very, very bold. So no, those are not gonna fly to this party. That's okay. That is okay. I think this is gonna be it for this one. So I'm gonna put these pieces away. Thank goodness this video wasn't super, super long. I'm gonna put all of these pieces away. Oh, I've got to get, I thought I had enough sleeves. I don't. I have to put these in a special little sleeve. These pieces go back in the kit. This one was really nice and comprehensive. I love double shot kits. And then tomorrow we will have kit 4 and kit 5 to put together. Okay. I will have links down below as well for Christy's channel, Moira's channel, and Kristen's channel. That's it for now, friends. Bye-bye.